Let's do some quick DIY right now. Yeah! Hey, it's me, Elena. Alvastaria dolls are not popular compared to ex-cute dolls, but I still can't resist getting some cute dollies from this line. Ginger dolls was always my big spot. This time it's a steampunk girl named Ravi. This is already a second release of Reporter Ravi. The first one was called Small Apprentice Reporter, and I wonder if since then she got a promotion. What I love about this doll is her bright brick color hair and expressive and gorgeous bright green eyes. Who could resist it? Not me. Her box is a pretty brick color. Here and there are different metal elements, which are hinting us to the steampunk origin of this doll. On the front is a big picture of the doll's face, her name, and the name of the release. Early Summer Newspaper Reporter. Her name has little bunny ear decorations, which makes it look very adorable. The top of the box is the same, without almost any changes. Oh, Azone, don't be lazy. On the sides we see full-height doll photos. One looks more relaxed, while the other shows a fully dressed up Ravi ready for an action. I also noticed that on the one of the frames around her portrait is a little red running bunny. How many other bunny details are we going to see? The box also has an imitation leather pattern on the side. On the back we see Ravi walking on the street during a sunny day, reading some book. Underneath is as always information about what is included in the set, information about the Alvastaria steampunk world, and other characters of the series. Her body is a Flexion XS body, and her price was 13,000 yen before taxes at the day of the release. Inside her box on the top and the bottom parts is a simple orange color. The main part looks like the pages of an old book. Also you see here a little sketch picture of a strawberry cake on a plate. I wonder what is the connection between cake and writing newspaper articles. Maybe the influence of sugar on how the brain works. We all like some sweet snacks, right? We got with the doll a standard set of booklets, usual maintenance guide, which is by the way recently became available online. So if you're interested, you always can check it out by clicking on the link on the description down below. Oh, what is that? This is something new. With the doll we got a little DIY set for her book, the same book she is holding in all the promo photos. That was really unexpected. We see a little instruction on how to fold it and the final result. We got two books to fold. One is just in case we ruined the first one during our craft. Here we see that it is not actually a book and more like a notebook. It makes more sense now because she is a reporter and needs to write down some notes for sure. Coverage. Huh. I was trying very hard to read what is written on the cover. It seems like it's a word coverage. Is it a Japanese version of a word coverage? Even if it's correct, it's still a bit strange word to put on the notebook cover. Let's do some quick DIY right now to prepare it for the doll. Okay, seems not difficult. I can do that. Finally, let's look at the special doll booklet we got with her and read another piece of Alvastaria's story. First page shows us the doll and her set in details. Oh my, I can't wait! That set looks so awesome, doesn't it? Here also we see Ravi's story. She is an apprentice reporter who is running around town looking for news, so she is very familiar with all the back streets. If something is happening in the town, she will be there. She is dreaming about releasing a big article which will surprise everyone. Unfortunately, articles about the candy store are more popular than town news. Oh, okay, now I get why we saw this cake picture before. On the second page is a little piece of her diary, an illustration to it. She is writing another article about the sweet store, describing all the yummy things they have, lemon pie and modeling cake. Her description was so bright that I even felt my stomach rumbling for yummy things. She also explains her frustration about writing such articles. However, she has to, because they are popular and they are what people want to read about. How often you abandon your interests in favor of society interests. On the last page is the story of Alvastaria world and all of its characters. Okay, it seems I'm missing only two Alvastaria girls. It's Katie and Rebecca. Let's look at additional things we got with the doll. The first one is a hat, which makes me almost squeak with happiness because of how awesome it is. It is made from rough, dark material and has a light golden satin ribbon which goes around it. And the most mind-blowing thing to me is the bunny ears, which are made from grey faux leather material. They have decorative golden buttons on the base. Unfortunately, you can't move them around for posing. Inside the hat has dark brown lining. Also, we got little rubber black armbands with metallic golden buckles on them. The rubber makes it easy to put them on. Her shoes are very interesting too. The base is made from a blue fabric, while nose and laces part are made from light grey faux leather. They have 3 rows of laces holes, and laces themselves are made from thin black cords. The sole is made from the black plastic and as always has an indication of which shoe is which. Additionally, we have a relaxed gesture hands. It will be easy with them to hold her notebook. Time to move to the doll herself. I can't hide my excitement. As Azone named them, her hair is of a carrot color, but to me it's more like a brick color. Her hair is long and wavy and has unevenly cut bangs. Underneath her head is painted with the same brick color. She has very bright green eyes. They have a gradient which goes from bluish dark green to a bright yellow color, which makes them stand out. The lines of her lower lashes are also of a green color, which just emphasizes her beautiful eyes. She also has a light pink cheek blush and neutral kinda smiley mouth. Her skin color is white. On her neck she is wearing a pink silk looking puffy bow tie. It is attached to a satin ribbon and fastens with a hook from behind. Another amazing detail of her outfit is a light blue corset. It has a leather insert on the front with 6 rows of metallic holes for the black cord. Behind it fastens with velcro. Her blouse is a simple simple white color. It has beads, buttons, imitation on the front as well as on the sleeves. The sleeves are a little bit shorter than the length of your arms. It also has my favorite pin tags decorations and fastens with velcro from behind. Another amazing detail is her faux leather crinoline. I love it so much. I think such detail in an outfit makes it more unique. The crinoline has a metal buckle on the front, pointy leather stripes, and fastens with a brown metal snap from behind. Her skirt is made from the cotton fabric and matches the overall muted color scheme. It is of a beige color with just a bit more reddish color ruffles. One of the layers is of a carrot color to match her bow and hair. It is a bit transparent and makes the skirt look more captivating. Underneath it has an antique white layered mesh to make the skirt more puffy. Skirt fastens with silver metal snap from behind. On the opposite to such detailed outfit, she has a fairly simple white semi-transparent knee socks without any additions to them. Her panties are also white with little light blue or maybe even gray satin bow. I'm personally in love with this canny newspaper reporter. I wish they made teeny tiny freckles on her face too. Can you imagine that? What I don't understand is her connection to bunnies. What do you think about her? Do you have a favorite Alvastaria doll already? If you haven't seen other Alvastaria dolls I reviewed, you can find them on my channel. I'm trying to make videos more often, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button not to miss any new videos. Your support in the comments and likes also inspires me to continue do what I'm doing. This is hard for you. Love dolls and con con.